All right, so here's a look at this toilet seat. Now this is gonna be great for utilizing in the bedroom or in the bathroom here. Now one of the cool features about this one's gonna include this splash guard right here. So if maybe your person needs a little bit more room to get on here, they wanna have this higher up, they can have this on the highest setting, but obviously if this is up, now you've got this extra space right here, which could make it a little bit difficult for them to aim for the toilet bowl. So having this splash guard on here is nice because you could just put it down like that and they don't have to worry about if they're gonna miss or not. It's also gonna have your regular toilet seat right there, and then it has a cover. So this fits right over the top of the toilet. You don't have to install it or anything. You basically just place it like that. And then it has these rubber feet down here on the bottom, and this is what's really gonna make this stable. Like I said earlier, you could adjust the height of this. So right now it's on the highest setting, but if you've got a shorter toilet, or if you just have someone that is shorter and they need this to be lower, then you have a lot of adjustability. I think there's 8 or 9 different holes on here that'll give you a different height option. Now, not only can you use this here in the restroom above the toilet, you can use this alongside a bed or in pretty much anywhere in the house because it's gonna come with this bucket. And this makes it nice and easy to do cleanup because it's essentially a bucket with a handle. It's gonna have this lid. So once they're finished, you could throw the lid on it, easily bring this out and throw it away. So I've also seen people utilizing liners in here. So if you wanted to add a plastic liner, makes it even easier to actually clean this up. The handles on here are very sturdy. You can see that this is kind of like a plastic material, and I like that they made them nice and thick, so it's really easy for your person to just grab right here, use their body weight to go down, and they can easily sit on here. Plus it gives them a little bit of an armrest, so you know, if they take a little while to sit on the toilet, it's going to be a lot more comfortable than having metal or no armrests. It's also really easy to bring around with you as well. So if you pop this up, you take the bucket out, there's actually 2 little clips over here on the side, and that's going to pull this middle bar out. Once you do that, you can slide this out, swing that down, bring the armrest across, and now you can pretty much bring it with you anywhere, or you can make it easy to store away in like a closet. But this is perfect for anyone who maybe sets this up here in the daytime and then they want to bring it to the bed or next to the bed in the nighttime. You could easily just fold it up and bring it with you. Like you could see, I did it in like 2 seconds. So it's really easy to be mobile. It's also great if you're going to be bringing this with you around to other places. It'll fit in the car nice and easily because of the fact that it's so flat. So if you're looking for a really good toilet, a mobile toilet, or a toilet seat riser, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up and giving it a try.